Since we have this debate about these insurance companies, why are they leaving the market? Here's something that Congress doesn't know. They don't know the answer to that question because you didn't hold a single hearing with a single head of an insurance company in the last couple of months. So how do we know why?
We do, but nobody wants to really talk about it. We know why these premiums have increased. You know, I am reminded by, remember President Bill Clinton talking about Obamacare as a crazy system? And he started talking about the people that are busting it, sometimes working 60 hours a week, and then they're left with premiums that have doubled and their coverage cut in half. Those are the forgotten men and women in this entire health care debate, but we know why those premiums doubled. We've done something with our health care system that you would never even think about doing, for example, with auto insurance, where you'd require auto insurance companies to sell a policy to somebody after they crash their car. States that have enacted guaranteed issue, which is the guarantee for pre-existing conditions, it crashes their markets. It causes to collapse. It causes premiums to skyrocket. Now,
look, isn't some of the problem here the rhetoric that gets used? And I'm going to use you
Absolutely.
I'm going to use you as an example here. I want to play for the rhetoric you used during your re-election campaign. Here it is.
This is our shot. We're not going to be able to repeal Obamacare the next time. This is our shot.
And yes, you bet I would repeal it in a heartbeat.
And then this is what you said in January. No, but this is what you said in January about that rhetoric.
It's way more complex than simply repeal and replace. That's a fun little buzzword, but it's just not accurate.
The point is, during a campaign, you used that fun little buzzword, and your constituents are hearing that buzzword, and then they're looking at this now and saying, you've been promising repeal and replace on the campaign trail for 7 years as a party. Now, you're being realistic, I think, in the January statement when there isn't an election coming, but isn't this part of the problem in that you use one set of rhetoric during an election year, and then when you need a pragmatic process, the constituents don't buy it?
Well, the problem, Chuck, is on shows like this, you get a couple minutes and you have to condense what you want to do. No, I would repeal all of Obamacare.